Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I am excited about today's video because I actually have been meaning to use these items and I finally did. And this is the Makeup Shayla collection, her wedding collection. And if you don't know her, you should. She is so cool to watch on Instagram and TikTok. She does fashion reels, makeup reels, couples reels. She's so cool. I love her. She's so beautiful. And these are the items that I have. And enough with the card. Let me show you. So I have her wifey eyeshadow palette. Let me just give you a close-up of that. And the blush and highlighter duo called Happily Ever After. And then I got the icing on the cake lip trio. And pretty much has these three: the gloss, the cream lipstick, gloss, and the liner. And yeah, I actually like how this came out. If you want to get ready for church with me and see if you like these products, then keep watching. So I've already did my brows off camera, going in with my Jaclyn Hill first base eyeshadow primer. So I'm gonna start out with the eyeshadow palette, and let me give you guys a close-up one time for the palette. Oh my god, it's so good. It's just like the only shades you need in your life. And I am going to go ahead and set my brows with the shade Bouquet, using a fluffy brush, putting that right over the brow bone. And I just get messy with it, just careful not to touch the brows. Taking a fluffy brush, I'm gonna go right into the shade Dress Code. And this is gonna be a really easy look because this is gonna be something I do all the time. Ooh, look how that picks up. Okay, Shayla. And I'm gonna go right into Cabo, the shade Cabo. And I'm just gonna place that on the lids. And matter of fact, I'm gonna place it on like the inner lid. So I'm gonna dab it. Using my face setting spray, I'm gonna spray my brush so that it can pick up the color the way that I want. Watch the difference. I'm gonna go into the warmer, the darker shade, Destination Wedding, the darker gold. And you see these colors on a lot of palettes, but I love a good palette where everything that I use is like right there together. And I'm gonna put that on the outer corner so that it does a nice little gold blend out. I'm gonna take Vows, that pretty like pinky shade, Vows. And I'm taking Vows and just stamping that right on top of that gold shade. Ooh, I like Vows. I think Vows is gonna be a new favorite. Okay. With a thinner fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go back into the shade Dress Code and just kind of Now that my eyeshadow's in place, I'm just gonna clean up with a wipe. I love to do this because it creates like a sharp, clean line and lets you get ready to do your face. All right, I'm gonna line my eyes with my Kat Von D inked felt tip lighter. A little trick if you mess up your liner is just to go in with a wipe and just clean that up. So now that I've lined my eyes, I'm going in with my foundation. Again, mixing 2 shades. Ooh, I love my Born This Way. I love it. Like, as you can see, I use it religiously and it's the only one I use. Just because I have dry skin and it just gives me that glow that I need without like giving me transfer. Without being too heavy, I can build it. I am gonna take a pencil brush and I'm gonna go in with On the Beach. I haven't highlighted my brow bone in a long time. And I'm just gonna blend that out with a little fine, fluffy brush. So now that I have my foundation on, I'm gonna go ahead and do concealer. And I feel like I went a little dark on my face, so I'm gonna mix that with a brighter concealer. Next, I'm taking my powder and setting. And take any fluffy brush and brush off the excess. Next, I'm going in with her blush palette, and this is a lot pinker than what I normally use, but I am embracing everything today. This is SNL. I think it's Shayla Less. The blush is SNL. Gonna place that in. Oh, it's actually really pretty. Okay, Shayla. I like it. I remember when I thought like blush made you look like an old lady, but like blush is just everything. I guess I just remember going to church and being a little girl and seeing women go in heavy on blush, but I guess now I'm that lady, like going in on the blush. I love this. I love this. Okay, so I'm gonna take a fan brush, just because I love this brush because it helps me not get like a streak of highlighter. And the highlighter shade is Let's Get Married. Oh, love this. I feel like I'm late, but I love this. And going right on the top of that blush. Ooh. Is it showing up for you guys? This is such a beautiful shade. I always go like right there in my hairline. I'm like loving this look. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my face and then apply my lashes. And I'm using my Cover FX setting spray. I mean, I will not trade on this stuff because other setting sprays break me out. And this one just doesn't. I'm going to be trying out these lashes that I picked up at Ulta. Active Lash. They are supposed to have like a flexible band, and I just noticed that they were super like curly. Super curly, so let's see what's up. I love getting ready for church on Sunday. Like, I love it. It's become my new favorite, and it's my motivation to film. And for the last step, I'm gonna go in with the She's Ready lip liner. And this is my favorite part. I love a good lip liner in different shades. So that I can pop the cream shade, the Final Touch, just like right in the center. Let it kind of dry down a little bit, because these can like do a lot of spilling. Barely tapping that. Here we go. And last but not least, the glass slipper. Can't forget the slipper. That's so cute. I like it. The finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and come back and see me next week. And never forget, it is always a beautiful day to be beautiful. Bye.